Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Kite Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop and complete the tasks step by step. So keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. You'll find the link down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. First, if we check out the Kite AI profile on CryptoRank website, as you see they have reached $33 million in funding. Also, if we look at the investors, there are many big names in the market like Hashkey Capital, GSR, Samsung, Avalanche Foundation, and much more. Also, if we look at their profile on X platform, as you see they have more than 650,000 followers, which is amazing. Now, if you want to join Kite Airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page, so click on login. They will show you this message, and as you see you can sign up using your email address or your wallet. I prefer to sign up using my MetaMask wallet. They will show you this message, so click on connect. Then they will show you another message to add GoKite Testnet network to your wallet, so click on approve. Then they will show you this survey, so click on continue. Click again on continue. And next we have this question, what is Kite AI? And the answer is the last one, a purpose-built L1 blockchain for AI. Next, what blockchain does Kite AI leverage for its modular architecture? And the answer is the second one, they use Avalanche network. And for the next question, what's the primary purpose of proof of attributed intelligence? And the answer is the third option, to ensure transparent attribution and fair compensation for AI contributors. And for the last question, which subnet type in Kite AI provides access to high quality data? And the answer is the second option, model subnets. Then you will land on the dashboard, and in the top left corner click on this icon. They will show you this message, and here you need to connect your social media accounts. I will show you how to do that step by step. So let's start with X. You will be redirected here, so click on authorize app. Next, let me show you how to connect your Discord account. You will be redirected to this page, so click on authorize. And after connecting your social media accounts, as you see there are 3 tasks that you need to complete. Let me show you how to complete the first one, so click on follow. And if we go back here, as you see you need to wait about 1 hour to get verified. You can also complete the other tasks in the same way. Now if we go back to the dashboard, click on this icon in the top right corner. Then click on claim testnet tokens. They will show you this message. Just solve the CAPTCHA and click on request. Now if we take a look at the top right corner, as you see they sent me 1 testnet token. I will show you later how to use it. But for now, if you take a look at the bottom, as you see there are many sections. Let's start with the first one from the left, badges. So click on it. As you see there are many badges, but unfortunately most of the players are able to collect only this badge, the last one. And to do this, just scroll down a little bit and click on claim badge. Now if we go back to the dashboard, let's talk about quiz section. So click on it. and they will show you this quiz. Every day they will ask you a question about something related to their platform, and you can find the answer by searching on Google or X platform, or you can ask ChatGPT. But for now, let me answer this quiz. Now if we go back here, let's talk about the next section, stake. So click on it, and as you see, there are many options. You can choose any one of them. Let's use this one for example. So click on it, then scroll down a little bit, and as I showed you before, I have received one Testnet token from the Faucet, so I can use it now for staking. And inside this box you can type any amount of funding. I will use the whole token, then click on stake. Now if we take a look at the top right corner, as you see, my balance now is 0 again because I have used the whole token for staking. Now if we go back to the dashboard again, I will skip the next section because it's very complicated, and now I'm gonna explain the bridge section. But first we need to visit this website. I'll leave the link down below in the description box so you can copy and paste it into your browser, and you will land on this page. And as you see on the right side, there's a little icon, so click on it, then click on connect. Now you need to solve this CAPTCHA, and when you finish, click on request. Now let's go back to the dashboard again, and this time click on the bridge section. You will be redirected to this website, and as usual, the first step is to connect your wallet. So click on connect on top of the screen, then connect your wallet. You will land on this page again, and if we scroll down a little bit, in the first section make sure to use base Sepolia on the right side. In the next section make sure to use Kite Network, and in the third section, as you see on the right side, I have 0.5 Kite token that I have just received from the Faucet, and inside this box you can type any amount of funding, but make sure to use only small amounts of funding. And for the last section, as you see, it's optional, so let's skip it for now, and when you finish, click on continue. They will show you this message, so click on confirm, and well done. Now let's go back to the dashboard again, and this time let's talk about the last section, swap. So click on it, and you will be redirected to this website, and in the top right corner click on connect, and connect the same wallet that you used before. Now in the first box you can type any amounts of funding that you want to use. Again, make sure to use small amounts of funding. Then scroll down a little bit and click on review. Then click on swap. They will show you this message, so click on confirm, and the swap is completed. I recommend you to swap tokens at least once every week to show them that you are an active member. Let's go back to the dashboard again, and in the center of the page, as you see, there are 3 bots: Sherlock, Professor, and CryptoBuddy. You can use these bots to ask anything about the crypto. Let's use this one for example. They will show you this message, and inside this box you can ask any question that you want related to the cryptocurrency. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Kite Airdrop. Again, don't forget to log into your account every day and claim the token as I showed you before. Then you can use the same token for staking. Also, if you want to increase your earnings, you can answer the quiz. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon, guys. Good luck!